Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix double charge on Ladder. So if you were guys double charged on this app, the problem is usually one of what I'm going to mention. So at first we have a temporary pending authorization plus the real charge. At the second, two active subscriptions, and as the last place, a genuine duplicate payments. So to fix the issue, you'll need first to check whether one charge is still pending. So in many cases, you were not actually charged twice. So banks often show one completed charge and one temporary authorization hold. So the pending charge is usually disappears automatically within a few days. So just look for labels like pending, processing, authorization, or on hold. And at the second, you will need to verify whether both charges are fully posted. So if both transactions show the same amount, same date, and both are completed and posted, then it may be a real duplicate charge. And at the third, you will need to check for multiple subscriptions. So a common cause is accidentally subscribing twice. So once through the Apple or Google and once through the other websites, or using two different email accounts. So just check the Apple subscriptions, the Google Play subscriptions, your Ladder account billing page. And then if you find or you make sure that you double charge or you got double charge, you will need to cancel the extra subscription. So if you find two active plans, as I told you, keep the one you want and cancel the duplicate immediately. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.